Dell is retiring the Inspiron, XPS, and Latitude names, making this possibly the last Inspiron model, but it's going out strong, offering solid performance at an affordable price. The Inspiron 14 is powered by a low-end Snapdragon processor, 16 GB of fast RAM, and a PCIe 4 SSD. It's excellent for 2D work and office tasks, making it a great budget choice for photo editing. However, like other Snapdragon laptops, its GPU isn't well suited for rendering or 3D work. If you don't need color accuracy or high-end graphics, this is a reliable daily driver. In terms of design, there are no surprises. The Inspiron 14 is boxy, gray, and built for function. It's lightweight, well-built, and discreet, perfect for office and casual users. The hinge is smooth but doesn't fold flat, and there's no touch support. The port selection is minimal, with 2 USB 4 ports, 1 USB-A, but no HDMI. If you need extra connectivity, a docking station or hub is required. Durability is a strong point. The chassis is stiff, preventing flex and ensuring longevity. While it's not a rugged laptop, it can handle minor scuffs and dings with ease. Feature-wise, the Inspiron 14 keeps up with modern trends. It includes a 1080p webcam with Windows Hello face recognition and a fingerprint reader in the power button. The keyboard is high quality, featuring a well-spaced enter key and function row, while the trackpad is smooth and accurate with a satisfying click. The display is a standard 1610 IPS panel with a resolution slightly above 180p. It's bright at 345 nits but falls short in color accuracy, covering only 63% sRGB, 49% Adobe RGB, and 48% DCI P3. While fine for general use, professionals needing precise colors should look elsewhere. Performance-wise, the 8-core Snapdragon processor handles CPU-bound tasks well, though it struggles with AVX2 extensions, which run in emulation. It's close to the 2022 M2 MacBook Air in Geekbench 6 and even outperforms the Inspiron 14 Plus in Cinebench multi-core tests. This could be due to improved thermals or software optimizations. However, in GPU-bound tasks, it falls behind Intel, AMD, and Nebiu power. Compatibility is improving with apps like DaVinci Resolve Studio now running natively, but some software still relies on Windows 11's Prism compatibility layer. Battery life is solid, lasting 13 hours and 44 minutes in continuous video playback. While not class-leading, it's enough for a full work day and then some. The best part? The Inspiron 14 is priced at just $679 in the UK and $649.99 in the US, significantly cheaper than the base MacBook Air M3. With great pricing, solid specs, and reliable performance, this last Inspiron model could be a top pick for students and budget-conscious buyers. Would you consider getting the final Inspiron? Let us know in the comments.